Go clean the milk crate, Jacob. Oh, stop making noise, Jacob.
Get all that mould up.
Go buy me a Zinger box, Jacob.
Anyway, is that on?
Marshmallow plant is killing it. Thyme and rosemary. Oh, it smells so good. Let's have a look at these ones. Oh, they've got flowers. Hello, Jasmine. That one's climbing. You guys looking prettier. Not pretty, prettier. I don't want to get my clothes dirty. They're already dirty, but I don't want to get them. Jacob's making too much noise.
Oh, what? Always Jacob did this, Jacob did that.
Well, did you?
I wanted to ask how Jacob's doing.
Hey, Jacob.
Yo.
Can you get me more mould if you like?
Obviously.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what's going on, Shane?
I'll come in. We're ready to
Sorry.
Walter Ultra White.
It's my fault.
And it's cleaning out the
It's yucky.
yeah, it's pretty yucky. Oh, look at this stuff.
Yeah, you came in and we're cooking meth.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
If it was locked down, we'd make a salad.
Aiden just fully f***ed the entire pub.
Where'd that come from?
It came from here.
Oh yeah, that's alright. We can
I think it was just sitting over the top of the thing.
that's the
We can fix it all.
Get the B-roll shit.
You're a B-roll.
Speaking of B-roll, they could be your own movies. Good on you, Tori.
Leanne, you actually
Big smiles, high energy. Let's go. Turn it on.
does it look like we want to be we're high energy?
Jacob's high energy.
Bullshit. He's still hungover.
No, not still.
It's all those Jaguar shots.
Yeah.
And your excuse?
Nothing. Got no excuse. Life has beat me down. I'm just old. And I'm old. Yeah.
You're not even that old.
Everyone says I look 15 years younger.
No, you're
Now that you've shaved your beard, you do. Yeah.
loving it, aren't you?
What, you back here?
Yeah.
Alright, we've got a band in tonight. It's a Monday. We usually don't have bands in, so we're just going to do some regular pub parties. Rid a bag of rags. We're going to go clean some stuff. Plus, Pip's doing stuff, but we didn't film any of this stuff. Did you know that? Oh, I don't think we did.
I think we got little
We got
snippets.
the access panel. Yeah. We got the floor.
Hey man, how's it going?
Watch out. There's stuff
Right.
in there.
I know.
For the book there.
And then we put then we had another thing here. This is only for a certain amount of time. But we pulled the floor up. Then we had to put it back down because me and Pip got a big project.
What are we going to do?
We'll do something that I haven't done in almost 12 months. And we'll dry rub everything down.
Yeah.
Clean it. Yeah, look at that.
Filth.
You gotta do your big tag, mate.
Can't see it, sorry, bro.
It's dick.
I thought that was a middle finger.
I thought it was a love heart.
See, that looks like a middle finger. Like that.
Do you see the one I did the other day?
Sure.
I sent to Campbell when I was vacuuming up the mess from Johnny out here. All the wood.
I did it
I
wrong.
sent that to Campbell.
That's really mature, Jacob.
Thank you. No, well, it's all of this thing. Is this one.
Unreal.
Yeah.
Unreal banana peel. Let her rip potato chip. Wow. Wow. Did you hear that, Shane? Wow.
Hey, laughing at it. See?
Hey, okay.
Shane's
No,
I'm laughing at you. I'm laughing at you.
I've got something to tell you. I don't know if anyone at home knows, but Jacob had been given 3 Zinger boxes, had a tally.
Yeah.
I took one off last weekend because he was sassy to me, so he's down to 2.
No, but we
no.
I must remember what you took it off for.
Either way, tell him to shut up. I think it takes 1 Zinger box. I think you're down to 1 Zinger box, Jacob. Jacob, I'm the one you're meant to be nice to.
I was being nice.
I don't think that's nice. Yeah, this is extra gross.
Yeah. If I don't do it, who will?
Jacob,
What's a ghost come to attack me?
well, good luck to you. Yeah.
Go around. You might as well go along. Acting like that. No. Rip all the nails out.
Yeah.
Maybe rip that screw out. I don't know what it's for. Probably leave the hook in. The hook's already there for a slot. But yeah, might as well pull all the nails out.
Yeah.
And then just waiting for some douchebag to rip the hand open off.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Hardcore kid.
Have you ever seen the footage from the last Little North set? And they played here?
Yes.
And the dude's hanging from there, and he gets like spinny tackled off.
Great work, pal.
Thanks, buddy.
What's going on, Jacob?
We've got a little medicine cabinet we picked up from Bunnings. It's really cheap because we've got a crack in the mirror. So we're gonna put it up on the wall in here and put glassware in it and stuff for the bands. We're just chilling in a nice fancy green room, which I'll show you the green room.
Thanks.
This is what the bands do in between sets. Lie down, check their hair, write their name on the wall.
Not there, doesn't work.
So Shane doesn't work.
Put it down.
Double whammy.
Kurt Cobain was here.
That was the best night. That was the best show I've ever been to.
It's spelt wrong.
Oh, he must have been drunk.
Kurdt. Kurt is a Cobain.
Must have been on one that night.
Yeah.
Fancy. Where's the crack in the mirror?
It's taped over.
That's not too bad.
Yeah.
$50.
Yeah, not bad, $50. Shane can't say no to a bargain.
No, you can't. What time is it, Jacob?
Time to get a wash, man. Hopefully this works.
That's the best part, putting the spaghetti in, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, hopefully this works because we've drilled out longer. Where's the other bag going? I'm gonna be dodgy and put double in.
Dodgy workmanship.
Yep.
Ah!
Yeah.
What was that? I was just yelling, Jacob, I'm sorry. So does 2 spaghettis go through now?
Let's see.
I feel like we need to get a better hammer, Jacob.
Yeah, I'll get my one. This one's pretty shit.
That's not very good, is it?
I'll grab my hammer. I saw Jade.
I saw everyone on the phone, I got really rude.
She's like, hello, because no one was up here. And I walked out. She was walking away. She's like, oh, Jade. She turned around, she ran at me and it jumped. Water. You're going to tell me off for doing that, Leanne?
Don't do that, Jacob. What's your highlight from the weekend? Jacob, I actually don't think you should be doing that.
What?
That looks kind of dangerous.
My highlight for the weekend?
Yeah.
Getting drunk with Shane and Leanne last year. You got what?
I've got a sugar packet, I'm gonna eat it. No, don't film me. I'm really hungry. Delish.
Okay, guys, when you edit this, works as magic, so you cut it as I let go, so it looks like I've just hung it up.
No, leave it, Jacob. Are you going to take it and put it back on
I'll
again?
make it look like I am.
Oh, good, because it was hard work. Oh my God, you're so strong.
Yeah, so strong.
So strong to do that all by yourself.
Stay.
Open it and see how it goes. Oh, they're so little, the shelves.
Yeah.
They're not very deep at all.
Yeah, but it's enough for glassware.
Yeah. Wine glasses and stuff. Do you really reckon, wait, 2 brackets holds that on?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Jacob, no one even knows that there's 2 spaghettis in there.
Yeah, no one knows how dodgy I did this.
Don't take that bit out, Gaz. I think you did such a good job. It's fantastic. I know you're doing work. I'm just looking at myself. I need a haircut. Jeez, what happened? Ben.
Yeah, and we'll stock this bitch with glasses.
What?
And we'll stock this sucker with glasses.
That's what I thought you said. Also, can I just say, I think we did a really good job. We didn't need anyone else.
Yeah, I did it all on my own.
You really need Shane's help?
Yeah.
While we're in private here, Jakey, let's have a talking head conversation. Have a seat. Let's have a chat.
A little crack drone.
Right. How do you feel about work today?
Oh, it's been a pretty crazy day, to be honest. I've just been cleaning.
How do you feel about Shane?
He's on one today.
Do you reckon?
Nah, he's alright.
Anything else you want to say about Shane? Don't worry, this is private. Big brother.
Easy money, easy work.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna tidy up.
All right. Sure you got nothing else to say about Shane?
Not right now.